Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Marangis from the Max Digital Channel. In today's video, I want to show us on how to make withdrawal in Binance from one wallet to Binance account, or I will show you on how to send your wallet address to receive a coins inside your specific exchange or wallet. All right, let me take into the video without wasting time. In the last week video, I made a video on how to make deposit. Today, I'm making video on how to make withdrawal. Follow me and understand it. If the video serve you good, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it to your friends and family for education. For those that they need more benefit in my VIP class, they have to chat me up, and I just dropped my VIP link on the video. So if you want to join the VIP class, you have to talk directly or put it in your in the comment section. Let me take into the video without wasting time. You have to click the wallet. This is where they put wallet. You click it. Once you click that area, it will take you to the environment like this. Once you glance your eyes here, you will see something what we call withdrawal here. You click it like this. Once you click it, what do you want to withdraw? As you see all these coins and with their all quantity that I have, I can withdraw each and every one of them. You understand? But now I want to make this tutorial with USDT. Why? Because the USDT, I choose it as a stable coin. Normally it is the fiat money, that it is the stable coin that we are using to buy crypto coins. So I click USDT and click USDT here. Click it like this. It asks me, this is, pay attention please my followers, this area you see something send via crypto network and send via email, phone number and ID. If the wallet that you want to send the money to, withdraw simply means sending money from one place to another. You understand? You want to deposit it, you want to send it to someone that requests from you. So once you choose this one, the email address, there is no charges, but make sure that take note of this. It is Binance to Binance. The wallet address that you want to send, or the exchange that you want to send the money to, the USDT to, has to be what? Must be Binance. Don't try send it via email with get.io from Binance or Bybit's, different exchange. You will lose your money. That is it. So I have to choose. For this tutorial, I will choose this via crypto. And I click crypto, which, so in the previous class I showed us on how to take a simple or the cheaper one. So we come to realize that the cheaper network in Binance to another exchange is BEF20. It is not TRC20. Okay, in Bybit it is BEF20, sorry. All right, but in Binance we don't know which one is cheaper until we see it. Let me press it, long press this area. It's vice versa. It's like the one at the previous video I made, but there is so little complication. That is why I just made this video straight directly. Once you pressed it here, you understand, you come and choose the network again here. You click it like this. You say it, this is the charges. I want you to, this is the minimum withdraw. Look at it here. And arrival time. Once you send the coin, this is the arrival time. Look at the minimum for Polygon is 5. Look at the minimum of Ethereum. And then the network fee. The network fee for Binance is 0.33. All right, for the Bybit is 0.3. Binance Binance they add like 3 cents, so we have to use the BEF20. I clicked BEF20 automatically, then what of what 10 USDT. So once you comes to see Binance, they just dash you something. They remove the charges, they cancel it. You can send 10 USDT and what and get your 10 USDT also. This is beautiful. So this is how you can make withdraw. Then after everything, then you click here, withdraw. Once you click withdraw, it will take you to the next page. I don't have enough USDT inside my Binance. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share it to family and friends for education learning in crypto. Thank you.